one of the things that I like working with bells or bowls, and they could be a glass bowl like this, or a Tibetan bowl, or any other sound that you can sing with, is that you're tempted to sing a pitch that is going to fill a vacancy in your reality. It is a known fact in sound therapy, for example, that when you are ill or when something isn't right with you in your mental state or your emotional state, that if you sound the vibration of the pitch that you are missing, it will actually fill that in and repair what is broken. So next time someone gives you a chance to get one of these, consider it an opportunity to play and to be in tune with you. This is Maureen St. Germain.